Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life in English with रोहिणी। इस वीडियो में मैंने एक रेसिपी बताई है इंग्लिश में। ओके, सो जहाँ पर भी आपको लगे कि कुछ नए वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं तो मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट एंड सेंटेंसेस प्रैक्टिस करो। जो भी हम घर के काम करते हैं उसमें से भी आप इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हो और किस तरह आप अपने डेली रूटीन में वो इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस यूज़ कर सकते हो, दैट आई हैव डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड इन दिस वीडियो। सो टुडे दिस वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट कुकिंग एंड आई एम शेयरिंग अ स्मॉल रेसिपी। सो अगर आप चाहो तो वो रेसिपी भी बना सकते हो एंड लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू कुकिंग। सो लेट्स बिगिन।
मैंने बनाई है मिठाई। मिठाई इज कॉल्ड स्वीट स्नैक और डिजर्ट इन इंग्लिश। मैंने बनाया है पेढ़ा। व्हाट इज पेढ़ा कॉल्ड इन इंग्लिश? इट्स कॉल्ड मिल्क फज। पेढ़ा is a traditional sweet dish in India. Pedhas are sweet snack. Pedhas are like soft milk fudge made with milk, sugar or jaggery, flavored with cardamom powder and garnished or decorated with dry fruits like almonds, cashews or pistachio. And the ingredients are 2 liters of milk, jaggery or sugar, 4 spoons lemon juice or vinegar, for decoration almonds, cashews or pistachio. First, pour 2 liters of milk into a pan. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once the milk reaches a boil, reduce the heat from medium to low flame. Now we will prepare chena, which is unpressed paneer, that is cottage cheese. To prepare chena, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar to the boiled milk. You will have to keep stirring. While stirring gradually, milk curdles from the curds and whey. Now whey is the liquid that remains after milk has been curdled and strained. This is whey, that is the liquid that is separated from the curds. Strain the curds. Once the milk has fully curdled, turn off the heat. Strain it by using a strainer over a bowl. Rinse the curds under cold water to remove any residual of vinegar. This step is not required if you use lemon juice. Now put the unpressed cheese into a mixer grinder. Grind the chena or unpressed cheese until you get a smooth paste. Next, in a cooking pan, take some jaggery, as much as you require. Melt the jaggery on a medium heat. Add the chena, that's the curds or unpressed cheese, into the melted jaggery. Keep stirring until you get smooth paste without any lumps. Now add 1 or 2 pinches of cardamom powder for flavor and aroma. Stir it until it becomes a thick paste. Remove the paste in the plate. Let it cool. Let's move on to the interesting part. Once the mixture cools down, knead it and make a dough. To make a peda or a milk fudge, all you need to do is take small portions of the dough and make small balls. Now you need to roll it in both your palms. Press it to flatten it and make a small hole to put almonds for decoration. You can also put cashews or pistachio. And the pedas are ready. I have decorated the milk fudge with almonds. finally, I'm going to taste it. Wow, they were just mind-blowing. Fantastic. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you around in my next video. Until then, take care.